Hello guys, I was just contacted by Klarus. They want me to test this excellent light, XT11GT PRO. Let's do a quick unboxing and then take a look at it in how it performs. Inside the box you get this very nice, let's put it down on the table. Okay, this is how it looks like with these nice drawings and everything on the front. And here it is. Came in this very nice pouch made from nylon with a very good cardboard. What is this called? Velcro lock. You have on the back side you have also a Velcro which you can attach to your belt. Very clever design. You don't have to loosen your belt. You just put this inside. And then you have a very powerful nylon strap hook. Yeah. Very nice. And then of course you have the lamp itself with the latest type of LED chip. Maybe you can see it there. Has something they call impact bezel, which is made for crushing things like window or something. Came with a USB-C. Let's see. Charger. And this one is also supposed to be a fast charger. Let's test that later. Waterproof. And you have this grip. Very strong. Belt grip. Clip it to a shirt, anything. The switch has two switches. No, the back of the torch there is a cap with two switches. One which is for momentary. It's not working now because I need to remove the tab inside there. And then you have the main switch. And like I told you, there is a safety tab inside, as always on all these lamps, which you then remove and discard. And here you have an excellent 3100 milliamps rechargeable battery, branded with Klarus. And the lamp has, of course, a golden spring in the end here, but inside here, which is impossible for you to see, there is also the same spring. So this is a dual spring action, not just a flat surface. Very clever, very stable design. And it also reverse polarity, so if you put the battery the wrong way around, it will not work. Has an O-ring here for waterproofness. It's not very easy to see it, but it's a very tiny one over here. And then we can test it. They also say that if you not use it if you not shall use it, then you can twist this cap for some degrees and it will not work. Twist it back on and it will work. It came in tactical settings. So every time you press this mode button, you will get a flashing. Very annoying. The main button circles, it's just on off, and then you can use this button to circle the different settings. Starts with turbo, then go down 4 steps. Turbo, medium, low, and very low, and then back to turbo. If you set it to low and switch it off, then it will always come back on maximum, since this is now in tactical. But we can change it to what they call outdoor settings. And that is a little tricky, but not bad. You have a very tiny LED here. Let's see if you can see that. Let's see if we can. To change the setting, you press and hold this button down. And when the LED flashes, let me see if I can see that. It's now lighting green. Hold it. There it goes, and then it presses red, and then we tap the main button. No, it is in outdoor mode, and this light will always come on with the lowest setting. This one was the flashing before. Now it is lowest setting. If you just press it, it will only light up. And if you press and hold it, it will lock. And then you can toggle between all the settings. Press and hold on it, don't forget. And then, of course, with the main switch, it's the same. And this one came with the last settings. It remembers it. So if we set it to, let's see, this one, switch on and off, and it will come back on this one. If you set it to maximum, turn it off, and it will come back on maximum. That is also very clever. And also this one will always come on with the lowest setting. Not to blind you when you're going in the forest. Fantastic. Just fantastic. But that's not all. This Klarus guy, they have sent me something more. They have sent me this one, which is something for a gun. We don't have guns in Norway, but I guess you guys in the United States have this. TRC1, multifunctional dual remote switch. Looks like this. You change the end cap. Let's do that right away. Look at that, huh? Nice. Then you get a switch, which you can, oops, yeah, like this. This one is also slided into this holder, so you can secure it the way you like, but it is supposed to go like this. Okay, when you turn on the cap, end cap, then you get a new switch with this one. You have one switch over here, which is the long one, and you have the short one here, that is the mode switch. This one you can hold and it will work every time you hold it down, of course, but then if you press and hold it for a few seconds, it will lock and it will stay on. Then you can change the modes. No, not sorry. You hold it for a few seconds and it should lock, and then you can change the mode with this long switch. Fantastic. And to turn it off, you just short press it. Flashlight, the strobe, this one, and this mode switch, like on off. Press and hold, and it will, a little longer, 3 seconds or something. There we go. And then you can change. Fantastic. Forgot to tell you, with this TRC1, you also get a roll with Velcro. Very long one, actually. My guess is 30 centimeters or something. And you can put this through here. Oh, sticky, sticky. Yeah. But that's not all. They also included sent to me this one, which is called a Picatinny. I had no idea what this was until I asked a buddy of mine which do hunting. And this is supposed to be screwed on to the rifle. And then you can put your flashlight inside here. To do that, we have to remove this one. This one is very, very tight. I have no idea why it is so tight. Oh, yes, I have an idea. When you tighten this, it will lock. You have to unscrew this one. Then it came off. And tighten it again. And then this one. And there was also included a bag with screws and an Allen key. So let's just see how this works. And this is how it looks. Then you can screw this to your rifle. Yeah. This one also can be tightened with this Allen key. Oh! That I should have done. There we have it. Fantastic. This one came in just a white box. It did not say anything on it, and it's nothing inside, so I don't know the number for this, but I will try to find it out and put it in writing somewhere. Almost forgot, guys. Inside here there is a small box. And inside this box there are some spare parts. Not spare parts, but accessories. Of course we need that. There it goes, empty. You get a USB-A to USB-C cable. This is a lanyard. And inside here there should be an O-ring as well. Let's open it and see. And I can see it, here it is. This is the spare O-ring for the bottom part here. And the lanyard can be put through these small holes here. So. Like this. And it has some adjustment here. So when you attach it to your hand, you can just tighten this one. A little tricky, but yeah, you understand it. You can't get your hand off it then without opening it again. Lanyard is a very nice, thick, yeah, soft. Not rubber, but it's something inside that makes it feels very nice, spongy. It also has a very excellent manual in different languages. It starts with English and it has German maybe and something. Chinese, Spanish. Oh, stop doing that. But okay, that was the introduction of the light. Let's try it in my dark room to see how the light looks like. In the dark room, let's see. Test the strobe. Oh my god, that is annoying. Oh. And let's start with the turbo. It is way overpowered to the ISO I'm using, but let's switch to the lower one. This one is called, let me see, what was it called? This one is the high level. Then you have medium level. And yes, it looks the same on the wall and on the screen as I can see with my eyes. So it looks to be perfect setting. And this is the lowest one. Yes, excellent. And then the turbo, of course, will blind the camera. High level. Medium level, low level. Let's see if I can put the ISO down a little bit. So closing in. Yes, this is about how I can tell the light is on the wall and it's the same on the screen. But then of course, it won't be the same here. Oh, it's too low here. But anyway, 4 settings. And the strobe. Whew, that's annoying. The mode button got another function also when you put it in outer mode. Not just the lowest setting, but if you turn it on and then press and hold it, you will get SOS mode, then you can release it. 3 long, and then 3 short. Excellent, eh? And then 3 long, short again. I think it was and then long. Yeah. Excellent. And I'll just tap it and it will stop. Let's test the charging. I have now discharged this one. I don't know if it's possible to, let's try to see it. This is supposed to be a LED. It's supposed to be green and orange. There we go out one more time. Green and orange, which means that it is lower than 17% left. And then it goes red. It is very visible to my eye, but I don't know if your camera can see this. But anyway, here is this wattage. Let's see if we can make this one right. There we have it. Some reflections maybe. But 5.2 watt of charging power for this one. Oh, I can see the LED as well. Red. Does it work when I charge? Yes, it does. Okay guys, that's wrap, isn't it that what I call it? For this excellent light from Klarus. I really love the functions with the tactical mode and the outer mode. That changes the behavior of this one. So yeah. It's getting a little hot when you're using it on the turbo mode, and the light will automatically go down to protect itself, so you can't destroy it by putting it on turbo all the time. That is also a good thing. I will provide links for it as usual up in the corner and down below, so you can check it out for yourself. So then again, big thank you to Klarus for sending me this light. Make sure you check out their website to check out all the other different flashlights they have over there. They have a great selection of flashlights. Thanks for watching guys, see you again in the next one. Bye. Let's do a quick unboxing and then take a look at it in how it performs. So I will, which again, it's an excellent one, and I have a lot of the website, so check it out to see if you can. So make sure you check out the website to see all the other flashlights,